everyone, it's Kelly. How are you? I just thought I would pick up the camera and start filming the not a lockdown vlog because I'm probably not going to have much to do over the next couple of days, especially for markdown shopping. For those of you who don't know, I live in Adelaide, Australia, and our government has just announced not a lockdown for the next sort of 5 days, and no indoor fitness, no sport, no dance, no singing, no beauty, no hair, nails. However, I think Bunnings will be open because they said hardware stores can be open. Non-essential retail, I think I heard one of the journos ask about Kmart. I think the police commissioner said that's up to them. No wonder we are completely confused, because we have no idea where we are or what we're doing. So all I know is that I'm at Zumba for our last hurrah. I actually had last week off because I had my COVID vaccine, and also the place we were at closed for cleaning, and they're turning their gym into a classroom for a few months while they have worked on their main building. So we've come to a new hall, and so we thought we'd come and at least have one dance and then we'll have a break. It's hard to do classes online because a lot of my people are elderly and they just don't have access to the internet, and there were a lot of connection problems when we tried to do it back in 2020. I have a lot of stuff on YouTube. If you go to my other channel, Kelly Lakeman, it was Zumba with Kelly Lakeman, but now it's just Kelly Lakeman. There's a whole lot of Zumba routines, and what I need to do is actually sit down and put a bit of a public playlist there so you guys can go from warm up all the way down to cool down. I do have it in my VIP group for my Zumba peeps that they can just click on a link, but I might try and put one publicly so then it's free for you guys. I will never ever be monetized on that YouTube channel because I have good music, and so the music companies and YouTube, they don't like real music on there. So yeah, so I just put it up there as a platform for videos to stay there and be safe, so people of anywhere can enjoy them and have some fun. So that is always my free gift to anyone. So I'm gonna finish getting set up. I'll turn you around in a second and I'll show you this gorgeous little hole. We've got some disco lights going, and then I'll turn the main light off as well. But yeah, I'm gonna just kind of vlog what I'm up to. I'm probably gonna do a lot of cleaning. In saying that though, I might not do a lot. Oh, I've sat nearly half the day like this, staring at the news, like waiting for any updates, because in Zumbaland, when we get that update, we gotta move fast. And 2 of my other locations have already pretty much contacted everyone and said we're closed, we're done. So I just got to follow up and make sure that everyone got contact with that. So yeah, so all right, let's turn you around, have a look at the hole. So you come in here, and then there's a little stage which is cute. Alright, and then my disco lights, when I can turn off the main light as well so it gets darker. Hello everyone, today is day 1 of It's Not a Lockdown. I got a bit of a sleep in today, which is normal for Tuesday because my son starts school a bit later. Subject that he has is only part of. So I'll take him to school and then I'll come home. Been trying to watch the Facebook page for the news update. Someone said it's coming at 10, someone said it's coming at 11, so it's just trying to wait and see what happens. So Zumba was good last night, at least we got to get that in, which was exciting. And now I've got to try and set up an online program so some people can follow that, because some of my ladies are a bit older as well, and Zoom, we tried to set it up last year and it was just an epic fail. So it's easier for them just to press play on like computer, or some have smart TVs and they Zumba at home. So yeah, I'll set that up and guess I'll clean. That's what I'm here for. And yeah, alright, I'll check in with you soon. Okay, I've got dressed, ready for the day because I still need to take my son to school, and I've just checked Facebook and there's an update at 10:30, so I'll put that on ready for the live because we leave at 10:30, so see if it comes up. Fucking hold off just 5 minutes. I'm gonna get lunch ready and pack a few things because I also have to go to an appointment today. Alright. This is why we don't do eating in restaurants. It's not funny. Do you know, as a fitness instructor, we knew last night that a lockdown was coming. The amount of restrictions that they put into place. Like, it's not funny going into a lockdown, but yesterday all they kept doing was going, it's not a lockdown, it's not a lockdown, but there's big restrictions, big restrictions. And now today, it's a lockdown. So, the lockdown is not funny. It's just like, come on, just, we were already there. I feel sorry for the businesses that have to close. I'm a Zumba instructor, I've had to close anyway. But, yeah, I'll rewatch, but usually the updates are usually a bit quicker than sitting here, but I've got to go and get Scott to school. So, alright, I will check in with you soon. I think I better do a bit of food shopping. Okay. Whew. Oh my gosh. The shops are mental. I was going into Woolworths anyway to get like coffee that we've run out of, and I've just realized that I forgot to get a few frozen things. Yep. I even had a list and I was just like, yeah, people were just everywhere, and I wasn't really panicked, but you just kind of trying to strategically work out what's what. And I pretty much have never been to this Woolworths before, so I came because of the offer that I had, and I didn't know what anything was. So yeah, and after about halfway I was like, I've just got to line up and get out. The lines are massive. I just happened to get a really good one, so I was out in about 20 minutes. Chatted to some really nice people in the line, so yeah, well done. Thank you for entertaining everyone. It was really good. Alright, I'm gonna head home because I've got some food I need to get in the fridge. I'll check in with you soon. Hello. Just thought I would do a quick wrap up of the day. Oh, it's been a day. So yes, I went to Woolworths and did the $50 spend for my app, and I'll do separate grocery haul video for that. And then I went to Coles because I actually had to go and get something from Kmart, and I'll do a haul for that. And had to get a few things at Coles that Woolworths do not sell, or that we prefer from Woolworths. And also I had to get that frozen broccoli and cauliflower because I would go insane without having it here. And then luckily I found some bread rolls, so now we'll have burgers for dinner. I didn't even know what we were going to have for dinner when I left the house this morning, so that's also why I don't meal plan, because things just move and happen. So at least now that is our plan. I don't know what else to say. It's been a long day. I went to go to one Coles on my way home and the line was like out the door down the street. So I went, we'll go to another. I actually went to a Coles that's in a Westfield. And it was empty. And they said they haven't really been busy at all. But one around the corner in the suburb, an independent Coles, chockers, because a friend works there, and she said it's been madhouse ever since 10:30 when they made the announcement. So yes, yeah, so I'm gonna edit this and hopefully get it up ASAP, and then gotta edit another video that I'm gonna put up tomorrow night, because I've got a new toy to show you. It's exciting. School, my son came home, I got a letter to say that they offered all the kids laptops. If they don't have access to a laptop at home, they were able to take laptops home for them to continue their education at home, and they'll send another letter with instructions about how to do our online learning, because we didn't do online learning last year. Long story, but I basically just said I'm not doing it because of the situation and things that had happened within our school, and so we focused on some other subjects and some other education, and we got a support worker in to help with some other things, and yeah, we basically did our own education and then just caught up when we went back. So I'm not going to go into it, but it worked for us and the school were happy with what we chose. So yeah, he wasn't in a normal education setting, so we had to do what worked for us at the time. So yeah, I think I've just heard that all public schools are going to be Pupil Free Day Wednesday, so it gives teachers time to work out what's going on. But this school, they did a lot of online learning last year because of the way that the school is set up. So basically, as they said, they just need to go back to last year's plan and redo it. So it's pretty much ready there to go. So I wouldn't be surprised if we have information tonight that says there'll be a lesson online tomorrow. I'm not sure if it's Zoom or whatever it is. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna go. Oh, it's been a long day. Oh, well, at least I'm home, and now we'll see what I get done, which will include a lot of this, no doubt. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.